Hi, good morning. Welcome to my class again today. This is still Maths with Victor. We are still dealing with our series on circle theorem. And our lesson today, which is lesson 4, we are looking at theorem 2, angle in a semicircle. And the theorem states that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, as simple as that. So I'm going to illustrate that theorem with this diagram. So we have a circle, and this circle has been divided into two by this diameter AC. Of course, we know diameter is a line that divides the circle into semicircles. Now, diameter AC, if you look at it very well, if you move around from A to C, that gives you an arc. And if you go straight from A to C here, that gives you the diameter. So let's talk about the arc from A to C, round here, around the circumference. This is an arc, and the arc combined to form an angle at the center O. And then we don't need a prophet to tell us that the angle at this center must be 180. Why? The basic property of angle is that angle formed on a straight line is 180. So the angle here is 180. Now, because it is the same arc that forms angle 180 at the center, the same arc combined to form an angle at the circumference. Therefore, x must be 90. If you recall our first theorem, that the angle formed at the center must be twice that it forms at the circumference by the same arc. So if 180 is at the center, then the circumference must be 90 degrees because this must be 2 times of this. So basically, whenever you see a semicircle, the angle to form at the circumference must be 90 degrees. That's theorem number 2. If you're just joining for the first time, kindly like, follow, share our videos, invite your friends to follow as well, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. In our next class, we will solve a very simple question on this and we'll move to the next theorem. Bye.